Hello everyone, this is your 4 minutes internet watch. This is your flashbang sounds like. Boom!
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Holy shoot!
Oh my god! My ears!
My ears are ringing!
Ever wondered why coffee mugs are left-handed?
Look, this is my right hand. I'm drinking my coffee. I don't need to know that I went to the Renaissance Fair 30th anniversary in 2015. I know that. I don't need it. I want everyone else to see that. But I have to use my left hand to drink my coffee to show off the world. Same with my owl. Cute.
I love coffee. Mmm. This dog loves to watch horses run. Tick-tick, tick-tick, tick-tick.
Look at that tail.
Nuclear power plants are so loud and scary. Ooh. I wish I was this smart.
Sleep. Peek.
Jaden has $1 bill, 1 quarter, and 2 pennies. How much money does he have? Jaden broke.
Well, it certainly is chilly today.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Chili for sure.
I hope I was able to make your day with this video. See you soon, guys.